Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we'll be slaying this beautiful lace wig from start to finish. Let me give you guys a little 360. Got the two braids. Nice, a full kinky straight hair. And I did this beautiful custom hairstyle for you guys. So in today's video, you can expect to see me cut the lace, bond the wig down, install her. I styled it with these beautiful two braids. And then I also went ahead and like straightened the hair and styled it as well. So you'll be getting so many tips and tricks in this video on how to make your wigs look good at home. I hope you'll be able to follow along. This video does come courtesy of Youth Beauty. And as I mentioned, this is a beautiful kinky straight wig. It's in a dimensions of 13 by 6. So you guys see that I did go in and add nice baby hair on the sides. I did tweeze out just the hairline just a little bit to open it up. So you'll see that in the video as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. But I wanted to show you guys the packaging straight out the box. You have the logo on the back, logo on the front. This is actually like a nice little storage bag for your wigs. Already feeling the vibe. You guys seem to love me in these types of like kinky straight textured wigs, and I understand why. They look so good on me. So of course you guys know this is going to be a start to finish install, and you do get a little bit of a elastic band in the back. You can remove it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on, and then let's get started with the install process. Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig live-bilder, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig, ha dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you want me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we you say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Oh, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry, that I'm no help. Okay, wig is installed. Just gonna let it set before we cut the lace. I also did a little bit of minor plucking to the front. Just wanted to open it up just in case I want to do like a ponytail. This one is very beautiful. We're gonna go in and just quickly add a heat protectant or maybe a serum, just whatever I feel is best. And then we're gonna go ahead and like lightly straighten it. I know it's gonna have the very much the same look, but you know, sometimes when you straighten a kinky straight wig, it'll like silk press into like a straighter look, or sometimes it just will smooth it out. So we kind of want to see what we're working with as far as that goes. I do want to do a style with this one with you guys, especially because it was such a quick install. So I'm thinking either a ponytail up top or like 2 braids. 2 braids kind of is more festive and fitting for my mood today, so I think we're gonna do the 2 braids.
Yeah, in the stove, on the corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home. But I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone. I made a couple bands on my own. Now all they wanna do is pay for it.
So you can see that it does kind of go more into a straighter style. This looks a little bit more pressed. This looks a little bit more blow dried, as you can see. So I'm going to go around and do the entire head, and then we're going to come back and cut off the excess lace and then move on to style.
Wanna see me get money, and they don't want nothing to do with peace. I jump up in that whip, they call police. I'm driving, yeah, I'm speeding on the leash. Yeah, yeah. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone, we be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone.
Okay, I went ahead and took off the... Oh, you looking so cute. Pose. Ain't no way I got kids and I can't do their hair.
I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I might rent the Lambo and go drive it like it's stolen. I've been living wild, I'm just going through the motions. Stumbling out the Uber, grab my hand, gave me the notion. Swimming in your water, but it feels just like the ocean. I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my...
I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why don't you see? Ooh, tryna call you Telly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. People act like they know me, but you don't really know me. I've been out here on my own. I've been grinding all alone. Yeah, get up after 9. We can pour out the wine. I got cash on my mind. Yeah, I don't really mind.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I did go ahead and add the elastic band for a second time. Next time I'll show you guys how to not have to add the elastic.
Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. OMG, I don't get pressed. Look at me. I've been on set since 17. I've been on set, on settling. I'm going numb, amphetamine. I don't do drugs, I'm not a fiend. Push to the edge, no boundary. About 2 or 3 in these leather jeans.
Look, as you guys can see, it came out super good. I was sure not to bond the wig too far ahead, so you get a little bit of that foreheady vibe. I feel like a lot of us with big foreheads are very self-conscious of our foreheads, and we want to bring the lace forward. I've definitely been guilty of that. I'm still guilty of that sometimes, because sometimes when I look in the mirror, especially to the side, I'm like, oh, it's giving too much forehead. But in reality, it just looks so much better and so much natural when you push the wig back a little bit so that you don't see lace like all the way up here. So it's something that I'm learning and that's growing on me. I have a big forehead, so I wanted to not look like I got a big forehead if I'm going to go ahead and finesse and add a wig to my hairstyle. But I just wanted to show you guys the end result. You guys see we did the braids, and as I mentioned, it's so much better to do your braids on a mannequin head. That way you can focus and get them super neat, especially if you have nail extensions like I do. But you know, I worked it out and they came out good. Now, the only reason I didn't braid a little bit over like the trendy style is all over Instagram is because this one is a 13x6 lace wig, but you guys see when I showed the inside construction of the cap, that lace doesn't go all the way back on the sides. Really, you don't need that on the sides. The only way you would need it is if you're doing a braided style and you wanted it to come over. But you guys can see this looks good and it was simple to achieve. As far as the actual hair and the length, it was no crazy smells, no tangling, no shedding. I will say that I like the fact that I was able to press this one and it tamed it a little bit, because it was a lot more big when I put it on. So that versatility of being able to wear the big poofy hair with your nice sundresses and your fall boot looks and all that, but you can also tame it down to make it a little bit more work appropriate, which I don't agree with work appropriate hair. What is work appropriate hair? But you know, if you just want to blend in and just be a little bit more smooth, sleek, maybe for dinner, for a date, it's nice to be able to, you know, go in and press it out. So I love this look. I added some cute little hoops with it to kind of set it off. I'm gonna go ahead and take some beautiful pictures, but I just wanted to come back and show you the final look. I'm Ashley Bedeck. If you're tuning in for the first time, I hope you stay a while and subscribe. Check out some of my recent videos, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.